Hello dear customer, this is Evan from QLQ company. Today I would like to share our latest machine with you. That is the automatic plastic zipper shiny fill sealing and the UV oil lacquering machine. As you can see, this is the whole view of this machine. The output of this machine is about 600 meters per hour. So comparing with the traditional model, this machine, we have two functions. We combine the shiny fill sealing and the oil, the lacquering function together. Yes, you hear it right. That means one machine, two functions. So now let's try to start this machine and check more details of this machine. Let's follow my video. Okay, so now as you can see, this machine start working. The zipper will go through this wheel and go into the first part. Actually, this part is the oven, like an oven machine inside. We use this oven machine to preheat this machine and also make the zipper a little hot. So after that, we can make sure the sealing result is great. As you can see, after the zipper come out from the oven machine, it will go into this part. In this part, we have the wooden wheel. The wooden view and the upside we have another view. The upside view will fix the fuel on the surface of the zipper through the high temperature. And one more thing I want to emphasize with you is that in this wooden view, actually we have two gaps. So that means we can use this machine for two size of zippers. So for example, number 3, number 5, or number 5, number 7. That is no problem. So after finish this sealing process, the zipper will go through up and down and go into this lacquering part. As you can see inside, we have the small box and we put the UV oil inside. And when this will turn on, it will take the oil on the surface of the zipper. So finish the lacquering process. And finally, the zipper will go into this part. Actually, this is very special part because inside this part, we put the ultraviolet light to fix the oil, because if there is no the ultraviolet light, the oil will be sticky. Let me show you. If without the ultraviolet light, when we use our fingers, there will be some oil on our finger. But after this one, and when we double check of this one, you can see when we touch this one, there will be without any oil. So it is very important. So the result, as you can see, the fill sealing and with the UV oil on the surface, it is very shiny and transparent. It is very smooth. So my friend, if you are interested in this machine to help you save your cost, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.